Thank you for joining us on Black Investments Matter. I'm Antoine Anderson. The maximum amount you can underreport or not report on your taxes when it comes to crypto gifts. What is the limit for 2023 and going into 2024? Under current federal law, you can send up to $17,000 as a gift to another person via cryptocurrency exchanges without having to report that on your taxes, meaning that any amount below that $17,000 does not have to be reported. Now, there are some very strict rules on how you classify this amount of money as a gift, but the things that you want to keep in mind is that it has to be declared as a gift. And there are ways that you can prove that, very particular ways you can prove that, but up to $17,000 in 2023. Now, that amount has been adjusted for inflation in the coming year. So when we file our 2024 taxes next year, that amount will go to $18,000. So why is this important? Well, there's a couple of reasons why. Let's get into them. First and foremost, this is an annual exclusion, meaning that you can do this every year. Now, what are the benefits of using crypto gifts as a way to send money to somebody? For instance, if say your brother or your family member, loved one is going through a hard time, typically if you want to report that income as a gift so it's not taxed, you would use several different forms. You can send a personal check, but if you use crypto, that amount is up to $17,000. Now, it is not clear whether or not that $17,000 crypto gift can be included in the other gifts that you may be able to declare on your taxes. Contact a tax professional to see the particulars about that. But with not having to report that amount of money going from one wallet to another, may be a way to save money without it being taxed to the federal government. It is not so murky as long as you stay under that $17,000 fresh threshold here in 2023. As I stated earlier, 2024, because of inflation, it's going to go up to $18,000. No different from the amount of money you are able to receive, for instance, from your parents. Say your father wanted to send you $18,000 next year, and your mother, that's a maximum of $36,000 that you can receive from your parents, $18,000 per parent. And that's all well and good. But in the term of crypto, it doesn't have to be immediate family. It could be somebody um, who you have no business dealings with, meaning that you're not paying someone $18,000 for a service or merchandise. That would not fall under a gift because that is actually a payment that would be subject to taxes. So keep in mind that all of this information needs to be checked out thoroughly by your financial advisor, and do not make any moves without consulting them when you're doing your taxes. It is just that important, but it could save you tons of money, and make sure you're playing by the rules. If you have any questions, please leave them here. We'll love to hear from you. We are 280 hours away from being able to monetize this channel. I would love to continue to do this. Please support by hitting like and subscribe. I will talk to you later.